It's my immense pleasure to announce the best NSS volunteers, male and female, for the academic year 2024-25.
ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
जाओ 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 रे
एंट्री अच्छी है लेकिन बैठने का तरीका अभी बड़ा प्यास हुआ है।
अगर अपने यहाँ की जिंदगी चाहे तो जरा कुछ नाच गाना दिखा दो।
इस
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana. Banana. Banana.
ಈ ಬಾಗಿಲ ದಾಟಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಮಾತು ಮಾತಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. वर्तमान आंखों का धोखा मनुष्य उम्मीदों की नौका आज मेरा सभी से होता मैं आपको चांदी का टोका दिमाग में छोटे कुछ ना कुछ बोलते रहना धरती माँ नहीं हवा से खाना बना सकता है
ನಾವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನಾಗ ನೀನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ
Thank you. ಸಿಂಗಾರಿ ಬಂದಾಳೋ ಬಂದಾಳೋ ಚಂದಿರ ಚಕೋರಿ ತಂದಾಳೋ 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 ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಸೀತೆ ಬಂದಾಳೋ ಬಂದಾಳೋ ಬಿಂಕದ ಸಿಂಗಾರಿ ಬಂದಾಳೋ ಬಂದಾಳೋ ಚಂದಿರ ಚಕೋರಿ
ఇల్లదాన్లే బండ్లు
ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿಯ ಶರವಾದ ಕಾಣೆ ಕಾಣೆ ನಿಂತ ಬುಗುಡಿ ಸಾಕಾದ ಹೈದೆಕಾದ ಧಡ್ಕ ಧಡ್ಕ ತುಲ್ಕೋ ಚಕಡಿ ಕಾಸಲ್ಲ ಬಿಗಿಯೈತಿ ಐತಮ್ಮ ರಗಡೈತಿ
ಈ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆಯವರೆಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಓದೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಂಥ ಎನ್ ಶಶಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಆ ವಿಷಯದ ಸಾರಾಂಶ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ: ಹುಲ್ಲಾಗು ಬೆಟ್ಟದಡಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯಾಗು, ಕಲ್ಲಾಗು ಕಷ್ಟಗಳ ಮಳೆ ವಿಧಿ ಸುರಿಯೇ, ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಸಕ್ಕರೆಯಾಗು ದೀನ ದಲಿತರಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೊಳಗೊಂದಾಗು ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. So we have to be act according to the situation, and we have tried to justify in all the circumstances. Dear students, I am happy to present our annual report in front of you all. The KLE Society is the education, research and healthcare with sole vision to enrich and empower the individuals to become the successful and responsible citizens. The KLE Society was established in the year 1960 by the founding fathers Saptarishis to facilitate the empowerment through the education. The KLE Academy of Higher Education and Research, Belagavi, has accredited with A+ grade by the eminent leaders Dr. Prabhakar B. Koreji, Honorable Chairman KLE Society, Chancellor Higher Belagavi. We have trained in such a way that our students are also recognized by various and highly educated universities and as well as institutions. And I'm happy to share you also the team of Pharmacy third year students, the KLE College of Pharmacy Hubli, won the second prize in short movie competition organized by the KLE College of Pharmacy Belagavi IPC 2024 held on 20th to 21st December Belagavi. I congratulate all the students for their appreciation regarding and receive the prize for the same. And also, I am happy to inform you that our students are actively involved in the research and development activities and also grab the research grants from the COIL Belgavi. I will name the few of students and their respective guides that have been displayed so far. The name of the student, Miss Shivani, guided by Dr. Santosh Patel, Miss Gauri, guided by F.S. Dasankoppa and Revati Sagre, and Miss Sulutu, guided by Santosh Patel. I congratulate all the students and the guide for their valuable contribution for receiving the seed money for consistent effort. And I am also happy to inform you that our UG students also received the grants from the KLE seed money for their research projects. I name few of students here, Miss Sonam Yadav and Mr. Lingraj, as guided by Dr. Lakshmi Patan Shetty and Mr. Kushi Shabadimat and Mr. Suprit also received the participated in the UGC sponsors capacity building program on Indian knowledge system from 3rd to 8th March 2025, organized by Malviya Mission Teachers Training Center, University of Mysore, Karnataka. Dr. Revati Sagre and Mr. Mahesh Yadav secured the second prize at Med Ecothon held on 30th August 2020 Incubation Center at KLE Academy of Higher Education and Research, Belgavi. Dear students, give a big round of applause for this achievement because more than 200 institutions and universities are contributed and we are among the two. That is the happiest moment for our contribution for the development of our institution and as well. And our faculty members also received the best in presentation awards. Dr. Revati D. Sagre received the first prize in the oral presentation at IIT Mumbai. It is one of the best achievement from the faculty members. And Dr. Arya Anklikar also received the best oral paper presentation at 39th Paris International Conference, Paris, France. And our faculty members also significantly contributed for books and book chapters. And the research findings has concerned the total 60 publications in the national, international journals. This has been great contribution from our faculty members, and this has a witness for we are actively involved to create an eco-friendly environment regarding the research as well. And most of our faculty members also observed as the research persons and delivered their guest lecture in various conferences, workshops, and as well as seminars organized by the various institutions. And one of our international resource person visited our institution on 8th March 2025, Professor Dr. Herbert Rippel, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Technical University of Monarch campus. And I am also happy to inform you that regarding the NSS activities, we have 5 units, and all the 5 units are greatly contributed for the community, for the health, wellness, and various other extension activities like blood donation and etc. And our one of the student, Miss Daritri Patan Shetty from Pharmdy 3rd year, represented in state level NSS Republic Day Parade 2025. Big round of applause for our contribution and for selection in the national level. I congratulate the students for the same. These are some various extension activities and outreach activities. With this brief annual report, I congratulate all the students and as well as faculty members for an eminent contribution for overall development of our institution.
Good evening everybody, dignitaries on and off the dais and my dear students. On behalf of Alumni Association of KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubli, it gives me an immense pleasure to brief you and announce the nominees for Alumni Merit Award 2024. Alumni Association of KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubli was constituted in the year 1995. It is a registered body under the Societies Act 1960. The association has more than 1400 registered members as on today. As a part of its activities, the association conducts guest lectures, seminars, MOUs, and also supports the students in placement and research activities. The association has hosted 14 alumni meets till date and also awarded distinguished alumni and for their credentials and services. In continuation with the activities, the Merit Award is instituted by the association to endeavour and recognize the best passed out meritorious students in B Pharm, M Pharm, PharmD every year. The prerequisites for receiving secured highest aggregate percentage in course study. The recipient should have completed the course without any backlogs. The merit award includes a certificate from the institution and a cash prize of 2,000 rupees. With this brief introduction, I am happy to announce the Alumni Merit Award for year 2024 for B Pharma goes to Miss B.S. Manya for the batch 2024 for securing the CGPA score of 8.30. I request Principal Sir Dr. Vishwanath Swami Sir to honor B.S. Manya. Thank you, sir. I request Manya to say a few words on this occasion.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I am truly overwhelmed and deeply honored to receive this Alumni Award. It means a lot to me, not just as a recognition, but as the reflection of all the people who stood by me throughout this journey. I would like to begin by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to all the lecturers and faculty members. Thank you for shaping not just my academic path, but my values and confidence too. To my Papa Mama and my entire family and my friends, thank you for being an unwavering pillar of support. You have not only tolerated my endless thoughts and overthinking, but you have been the strength behind every decision, every challenge I have faced. As I walk through the path of my master's journey here, this award doesn't feel like a destination. It feels like a warm reminder that I'm on the right track. Once again, thank you for this incredible honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Manya, for your kind words of Padmaja. Padmaja is currently working in Novo Nordisk as a clinical research associate. Hence, she could not make it up for the function today. Thank you. The Alumni Merit Award for 2024, batch 2018-24 for securing 82% aggregate. I request Akshata, Miss Akshata to receive the award on her behalf.
Good evening, everyone. It is with a deeply humbled heart that I accept the Best Alumni Award from KLE College of Pharmacy, Hubli. Though I truly wish I could be there in a person today, please know that I am with you.
Present the NSS Activity Award and honor the spirit of leadership.
Good evening, everyone. It's my immense pleasure to announce the best NSS volunteers, male and female, for the academic year 2024-25. NSS means helping others with a true heart, and today we are giving awards to 2 students, 1 boy and 1 girl, who have worked very hard and served the community with dedication. Let us start with the Best NSS Volunteer Female Award. This award goes to a girl who has worked with full energy, kindness and leadership in all her NSS activities. Please give a big round of applause for Ms. Srinidhi Namda from Family 3rd year. I request Principal Sir to do the honor. And I request all the NSS program officers to come on the dais. Congratulations, Srinidhi. Now it's time to honor the best NSS volunteer male. This award goes to a boy who has shown great responsibility and helped many people through NSS work. So let's welcome Mr. Manjunath Benakanhalli from B Farm second year to come.
Guys, ಇದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್.
Indoor games winners list. Badminton singles for boys. First prize goes to Suprit ML.
Badminton single girls, Pratiksha B from Kandy 6th year has got first prize.
It's an honor to announce the overall general championship for the year 2024-25. Any guesses? There is a huge difference between the winner and the second runner-up. So we will be announcing only the winner. And the winner general champion for the year 2024-25 is third year B Farm.
ಎಲ್ಲದಿರೋ ಮಾರಾಯ?
Principal sir to do the honors.
ಗೈಸ್ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗೀತ, ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಫುಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.